Guys, these are all my Hot Wheels.
We got the JT's hauling.
Yeah, that's the best one.
It's not focusing. JT's. That's nice.
That's a good one.
You like the Moon Eyes truck? These are nice.
It's a Hot Wheels collector channel
nice.
now.
Yeah, Moon Eyes. Moon Eyes. Yes.
Yes, and the other got them both in 2 colorways.
That's Moon Eyes. That's Moon Eyes. Moon Eyes.
CRX.
Ah, yes. Yes. We got lots.
Lots of the Hots of the Wheel.
Did some rearranging up in here. Actually walk around. That's nice.
Wow.
That's nice.
Cressida. There's that Cressida. Film mine. That's nice.
Okay. Got some stock wheels for the truck.
Yeah, those are nice. You're taking your dice out? They go in my Cressida?
No.
Why are you taking it out? What are you taking out?
Taking out this.
Can I have it?
No.
You put what car are you putting that in?
MR2.
Oh. Okay. Unlock it. Wow. I like the JDM cat. And close your secret box. That's another box. Let's go get the tools to put on the steering wheel. Clean the whole garage. Wow.
Take off the price tag.
Mm-hmm.
You guys don't need something like
No. Dust cover? You could leave that on it. Oh, I like that wheel.
You do? It's nice.
We could put it in my Cressida. You want the Sparkle one?
Yeah.
You do?
No.
Oh. It came with anything else.
It came with a sticker.
You got a sticker?
Ooh.
That's a nice sticker. I have lots of those energy stickers.
Really? How?
Because I bought hubs, I bought wheels, one wheel. And one came in the hub that was in my Tacoma that I kept, and now it's in the Cressida.
You put the sticker on the Cressida?
No, I didn't put the sticker on the Cressida.
I put the hub in for you.
You did. Because I couldn't get the other one off. Because it was stuck. It was this hub, this D&D hub. It was on there good. Oh, the Slurpee just dropped on my foot.
What do you think I should use? This hub
Mm,
or this?
I like the D&D one better. I think it looks cooler. The silver with the wood looks nice.
No, I like this type of cover.
You like the cover?
Yes, it looks nice and factory.
Yes. OEM Plus. Yes. Our little torque screws.
What? Stock wheel.